As 2023 comes to an end, I want to say thank you for spending some of your time with me. We've learned so many new things together. We've made mistakes and learned from them, made beautiful new crafts, and even updated some of the old ones. This year has been a year of highs and lows like most years are, but I want to make sure that you know that you are a huge part of the highs this year. As I look forward to 2024 and all the crafty plans we have, I am filled with joy and happiness at all that we have accomplished together. I wish you and yours the happiest of New Year's and only joy in the coming year.